We're going.
Alright, this is Argon here. We're going to do the Polymer lab. I have today, I got Helium with me. Say hello, Helium.
Hello, Helium.
Hello, Helium. And I also have my cameraman, which is Neon. Say hello, Neon.
Hi.
Say hello, Neon.
Oh, hello, Neon.
There you go. Alright, so here we go. First thing we want to do is the soft polymer we're going to do first. Soft polymer is basically making slime. So you can get some of this at Publix. It's Niagara non-aerosol spray starch. In other words, it's a liquid starch. Kind of tough to find nowadays because nobody uses liquid starch anymore. So they got spray liquid. So we're going to take 2/3 of a cup of this. Put 2/3 of a cup in there, Helium. Whoever you are. And we're going to take 2/3 of a cup of glue. Yeah, if I can get it open. Let me get my.
Get it open. Whoa, that's too much. Maybe just right, but maybe too much.
Hopefully you won't need vice grips to get yours open. See if you can open that glue there, Helium.
I'm not Helium, I'm Neon.
No, he's Neon, you're Helium. Oh, hey, no. Careful. That's what. Oh, be sure and put down paper on your mom's counter so that you don't get in trouble by getting glue all over the place.
Because I just said.
Alright, take this, pour 2/3 of a cup in there. Wait, stop. Hang on.
Yoopy jumpy
Here, wash your hands off. There you go, wipe your hands off. So he's going to do that. I'm going to see if I can get this open.
Can I just wash my hands like
In a moment. We're on video here. We're running. We gotta get moving. We ain't got time to play around. I'll get this ready for you.
I'm done.
Yeah, have 2/3 of a cup here. Alright, I'm gonna get one for the strung together. A monomer, or a monomer, is a single molecule. Styrene is a monomer, or a monomer. Polystyrene is a polymer. Many monomers, or many monomers. Monomers, alright?
Many manometers.
Hooked together. Okay, we're going to take 2/3 of a cup of liquid laundry starch, mix it with 2/3 of a cup of glue, dump that in there, Helium. While I get the glue for the other one here. There you go, and use your hands to mix it up. Use your hands to mix it up, son.
No, I don't like mixing it up.
Alright, then I'll mix it up. Here we go.
Yay. Whoa.
So get her mixed up here, and you'll see that it'll get stringy, slimy. Glue it gets all stringy. And you can see that it starts to.
That's why I don't like stirring it, because it gets stuck on your hands.
It starts to polymerize. See the strings? So a polymer is, this stuff is starting to polymerize or string.
I'm gonna go do something for a second.
I'll be right here, Helium. Just come on back when you're ready. So there is 2/3 of a cup of liquid laundry starch and 2/3 of a cup of glue, and you can see that it's stringy, because it is now polymerized. A lot of polymers are plastics. Most plastics are polymers. Anyway, you can use one of your mom's old bowls. You can also do this in a Ziploc bag. We're going to do the next one in a Ziploc bag. Let me wash my organic hands. Washes right off, will not hurt you, so don't be afraid. What's our time there up in the top right-hand corner?
4:36.
4:36, perfect. Alright, so that was the soft polymer. Now we're going to do a rigid polymer. Okay? Don't have time, gotta go. I'm filming right now, okay? Alright, so the first thing you want to do, it says to, you take 2/3 of a cup of water, Here, helium. Give me 2/3 of a cup of water. Right in there. Just pour 2/3 of a cup and dump it in here. 2/3 of a cup of water. Perfect. Boom. It also says to use 2/3 of a cup of a saturated solution of...
Which is called nothing.
Borax. Okay? The borax, you can buy at Publix. It says 20-multane borax. It is sodium tetraborate, right? And it causes
they use it anymore.
Sure they do. They use it to... it's a laundry booster, okay? When it says a saturated solution, that means a solution that is so full of sodium tetraborate that it won't all dissolve. So you need to make a solution.
And
the easiest way to do it... Kind of like a vacuum. So you're going to use 2 tablespoons. 1,
2
tablespoons. 1...
2, 3.
No, about a half of that. There you go. 2 tablespoons. We're going to mix that with 2/3 of a cup of water. Well, we'll do it with the 2/3 of a cup that's already in there. Dump that in there.
2/3 a cup.
Whole thing. Dump it in there. There you go. Now we're going to mix that up.
And get it all slimy.
Get 2/3 of a cup more of water. So you're basically using 2/3 of a cup of water with 2/3 of a cup of saturated solution of sodium tetraborate. Got more water, kid? I mean helium. How you doing, Neon? You alright?
Yeah.
Alright. There we go. So now we've got our... Now, when I put this glue in, I'm going to need to work it quickly, okay? I don't need to rush, but I need to not spend too much time waiting. I want to mix it together so it'll begin to polymerize right away. Okay? It's going to be sticky and icky. Get your hands down in there.
Sticky, icky, wobbly, bicky.
And you want to get it mixed up, okay?
And this is how you make clay or something.
This is silly putty.
Yeah.
Or something close to it.
But it's not colored. It's just yellow.
What do you mean it's not colored? Isn't yellow a color?
Oh yeah.
Anyway,
anyways,
you basically want pretty much more water than you got glue, about twice as much water, and quite a bit of the borax. And the borax will cause the glue to polymerize, okay? Or become plastic-like. So here it is. Now it's plastic-like.
And all smushy
Okay.
too.
That's what it looks like. Now, silly putty is a rigid polymer.
They know what it is.
Silly putty, when you stretch it, it's strandy, and it has the unique characteristic of when you snap it, it breaks like that, okay? Just like silly putty.
Alright, let's go to flowers.
Actually, it is
now.
silly putty. Same formula. Now, you can also take it to the sink and rinse some of the excess sodium tetraborate off the surface. Don't let it go down the sink. Okay?
Just let it go down the toilet, okay? Just down the toilet.
Thank you, Helium, for your words of wisdom. There we go. There you got
I'm
some.
not wise.
That's
You're wise.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Silly putty.
Almost went down the
Don't
sink.
Have
get
you ever heard the movie Wise Guys?
don't get silly with it. All right. Be sure trash everything neatly.
Touch.
I'm going to keep that now. If I let this, actually, I had an old egg, an empty eggshell.
what
Where did I put the empty
happened?
eggshell? You buy silly putty, it's usually in a half. It's usually in an eggshell. Hang on, I'll be right back.
What? What are you looking at?
If you happen to have an old eggshell around like this,
Looking at?
you can take some of your silly putty and pack